Hello! So today I'm going to give you some tutorial on how to make a holder for your surgical mask. So sometimes when you're wearing the mask and then if you need to take out and you do not know where to put it, right? You would either be hanging it here halfway or do it this way, which is all wrong, right? So a better way to actually to keep the surgical mask, or instead of putting it on the table like this, which is technically speaking not very hygiene. So you'll make something like this, put it back here, forward, and wrap it up like that. So simple, and then you can keep it in your pocket. Nice, safe, and basically clean. You can also put this inside your purse. See? Nice and tidy. And after every use, you can actually take this off. And then you need to do your alcohol wipe down, and then to sanitize it, it's also available to do that. And to make this holder, all you need is, all those unwanted like folders that you have at home. Just cut the sides, okay? And then you will be able to get this plastic sheet like that. One plastic sheet, according to this, the standard surgical mask size, probably you can make about 3 of them. So anyway, let's jump into the tutorial on how to make it. So to start, we'll use the plastic sheet that we cut out. Take the shorter side, which is the breadth, and then put the surgical mask on top of it. Very simple like this. So this end would actually be at the edge of it. So the top and the bottom here, we need to keep about half a cm on each side. So let's just mark it down and then we can start cutting. The shorter side is actually edge to edge, and then there's a little bit of like allowance for the top part and the bottom part. Simple. Next, we need to start with some folding. So instead of folding it into half, right, we push it up by about 2 mm. Okay. And then we just make a line here in the center. Something like that. Okay. So now we'll open it up again. So now from the other side, we'll do the same with a 2 mm allowance as well. So what happens after this is, you see, you actually have something like a canal here. So by giving this allowance, you'll be able to put the surgical mask in without damaging it. So because the surgical mask actually have this metal piece here, which is very important for covering your nose. So instead of doing the 2 mm fold we did just now, now we need about half a cm fold. Okay. Next, flip it and do the same, about half a cm. Okay. Voila. Okay, so now you see. So this one is about 2 times bigger than the longer one. Yep. So now the last step is basically cutting it. So we want to strip off this part. So we will cut diagonally here and diagonally here. You see this? This fishtail shape here? Yep, all the way to the center here. That's it. And then just snip it off. So now we can put the mask in. Okay. And then fold them. Like this. And now we use the ribbon here to tie it like this. And that's it. This is how you basically make a holder for your surgical mask. Since that everybody is home now, with this excess material, you can just make a quick surgical mask holder for yourself to keep yourself safe, and then to bring a surgical mask with you along with you any time of the day. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like our videos, remember to subscribe to us as well, and like and share this video, okay? Bye!